Okay, if you're ever in the situation that your key fob of your BMW is empty, so your battery is dead, what's in this thing, then there's a trick to still start your bike. Here at the bottom, with your rear wheel, here, you cannot see it now, but there's a little logo where you can hold your key like so. Just hold it against it. Let's see, I'll bump up the ISO. Maybe you can see a little more. You hold it like here, and with your right hand and with your left hand you press the on-off button, or the enable button, the big one in the middle, and your bike will start. Happened to me twice that my battery was dead of the key, and if you put a new battery in it, sometimes it doesn't work, or it dies like 2 or 3 times when you use it. You put another one in and it does the same, or it works. It's really a mystery to me, but that's the way how you can always start your bike. Just a quick tip. Bye.